What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Ja. Boy, I tell you some things can happen now. Reading again, NEWLINK. So now my people, big up. So NEWLINK was coming so now. And I was reading this article of people. See? Yeah man. And it is where a lady who is writing to the editor. And this lady I say, yo people, honestly, boy, she just can't stop giving. After one incident happened. Well, viewers and subscribers, this lady now, who says she in her 50s now, Zin, she have her husband who is so good and so nice to her. Says she have a husband who not believe like in a cheating and them thing there. And that, you know what I mean? A husband who does expect the best from her with relationship and thing. She say, she comes to boom, one at a time when her friend give her a look out. You know them porn something, them porn CD, them blow movie thing there, and say, she go home with it one night and put it in and I watch it, and she said the husband never too happy about it and thing, people and thing. You know what I mean? But she say she just want kind of cheer up her thing, and you get me I say. And then people, she said she do get a trip where she go over US go visit her sister for about 6 weeks. So she alone I go husband come husband stay back at Jamaica. Her husband trust her and everything good enough. So she said when she reach over there now people, she see her sister and thing, and she get to find out say now her sister who have her husband also a Jamaica people have a man over America. So she said the sister said to her, say, you know what, you come here on vacation, you know what you need? You need a man, you understand, to cheer up your thing. She said she not say nothing about it, people. She didn't say, yo, she no want, she does not say nothing like she does smile. So she said she comes to boom now and the sister link that a fear cheat a man, born a man over America now and say, yo, more you get a man, you know, for she. So she do man come and thing, and in the process while them there, the sister fear man make a move and go and she and the man left and thing, and they have them look at thing, you know, connection go on, and she over the people there, as she said, for 6 weeks and thing. So she say she do go back home now with people, but in the process, you know what I mean, the sister never say nothing pertaining to it, like tell nobody or say nothing, and you know she just hold it so them have it as a secret, and she doesn't say nothing about the sister and the thing what she and her sister do and thing. But she say in the process, people, she still have connection with this man where they over America. And this man over America say, yo, you love her and you are married to her, people. You get me? I say, and him will pay money for she divorce the husband of Jamaica. In the process, people say she's not a wicked lady. She's not a dirty lady, and she know maybe people are going to do something. You know what I mean about that thing, people? You get me? So she said, right now, she does a think and a way her man, but her husband is a good husband. But she knows that she give the thing to the man. And she said, honestly, people, she do a strong feelings, you know, for the bonner man who put it on for now of America. You understand? Yeah, man, maybe the bonner man, they do something where else maybe not do. And you just hold her still in somewhere. But now, people, my part of this thing now, to be honest, boy, John Star, me not go look on this woman as a good woman, you know. Worse, she a 50-year big woman. Of her husband, she claim her husband a good husband. And her sister too is not a good woman also. Zine, not a good woman. Because in the process, people and the whole thing, it's not like say she have a relationship where the husband where them dep on the verge of divorcing, and you know what I mean, they have problem I go through or nothing. She never state nothing like that in the article. Zine, but in the end, people, she can tell us say she comes to boom and the sister said this and she not say nothing, she not no doubts and like she up to something then. Eh? But maybe she not tell NEWLINK, she not write to the editor and tell the editor back a bag of things that she go on the yard before much time she give away, because from her friend comes to boom and give her the porn something. She into something, people. So maybe me feel see something she want, you know. She wants something like, because when she watch them porn something, maybe she wants some tongue thing, some tongue twist up, tongue something, some, you know what I mean? She wants something, and you know what I mean, people. In the process, she has said she can't stop gateway. Eh? So she there, yeah, me feel say she still a gateway and I use her head, you know. Listen me, woman, you're totally wrong. Zine, I mean, see your conscience, kill you and it about you. Listen, you see what you do to your husband, and wickedness and cruelness you do. You know what I mean? Yes, Because in the end now, you come to one, it seem like you're planning it, because you said, the man tell us, say, if you divorce and they like you, way up to it and do it too. Oh my world, my precious NEWLINK. Boy, viewers and my subscribers, they want you sticky, they want you tough for me people. Many even can't say attack. Only thing me can say is, oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Boy, my viewers and subscribers, me left one of you be the judge on it. Me do my part. Peace out. Me gone.